Hi everyone, this is our latest offering. This is a very versatile vehicle. It's a 29-seater PSVAR on an Iveco chassis, Iveco 70C21, which means it's a 210 horsepower engine, and also has a retarder, which is very useful. This is the best of the Iveco chassis, if you can get one. And that's, as I said, 210 horsepower with a retarder. It's come in for a very good local operator, Boss Peris, who's a good known Turas customer, and come in part exchange. It's in this really nice sort of battleship grey sort of colour, which has become really popular these days. It's not a metallic, it's I don't think it is anyway, it doesn't look metallic. And even though the body is a bit sort of square and what have you, but yeah, it's nice in this colour. It's got a few little marks on it. It's got a little mark on the corner there, whether you can see that, and it's got a few chips on the back bumper. It's got a boot, and in the boot is the wheelchair lift, so it does take up a fair bit of space, unfortunately, but you do have some decent side lockers. There's one emergency door which doubles up as the wheelchair lift door, which is a good idea, and it's got this Dhollandia lift in there, which works and will come with a new Lola test. We'll Lola test that. And as we go round, there's also a side locker there, which is sizable. Destination in the blind. As we go inside, it's a really sort of funky, sort of yellowish, blackish interior. Looks a bit sort of sporty, but actually quite nice actually. Very smart. Full size reclining seats, I would say. The aisle is a little bit narrow compared to others, but yeah, all very nice. There's a few of these broken here. We've ordered new ones. We'll make sure those are done, and there's a couple of magazine nets which are stretched, which will also have changed by the time somebody purchases it. It's got DVD video, it's got a Pioneer video system, and as I say, it's fully PSVAR, and there's the destination there. It's low mileage. It's only done 158,000 kilometers from new, so that's good. And also got an MOT till November 2025. That's actually 4 years after the date of registration. It's the higher spec of Iveco, so it's got the cruise control and all that sort of thing, radio buttons and what have you on it. And I have just been for a test drive in it, and it drives really nice. So just to recap, it's a 2021 Iveco 70C210, 29 seats, PSVAR, MOT till November 2025. Thank you.